Hello my friends, welcome to today's video. So on today's video, I'm gonna open Elite Netherrealm pack. Guys, this pack is available for limited time and this pack has maximum chance for diamond characters that you can see 14 diamond characters you can get, and the chances are almost 30%. And here they have set a limit that you can open only 20 packs. Then why they are giving this bar to at max open 10 packs, but I'm not gonna use the whole 10 at once. We'll use it in between. So let us open very first pack. And my friends, only small percentage of people that watch my video actually subscribe to my channel. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing it. It's free and you can always change your mind. So guys, I'll open this pack. Let's see what I'll get. So it's Alagot Kanchi. Now friends, let us move to next pack. So I'll open two pack. I'll go 1 2 1 2 likewise. The pair of steps. So afterwards I will be able to open only 17 packs. 20 packs is too much, but why they are stick to the limits I don't know. So here is the disadvantage guys. I don't know I have got Jade first or Bone Shaper Shinnok. I guess this is the first one. So I have got Jade and then after Bone Shaper Shinnok. So that's my first diamond character. We'll open fourth pack. Guys, if you open this pack, do let me know in a comment section which diamond character you got. I know you are gonna get diamond character from this pack, that is for 100%. If you open 10 packs, you're definitely gonna get diamond characters from this Elite Netherrealm pack. Alright, I have got Quan Chi. So, do tell me guys, where you have used this Quan Chi at max, means this has really give you advantage over many matches, but do you have any special match that has won just because of Quan Chi? Alright, I'm gonna open two packs. There it is. I've again got Wall of Quan Chi and Dark Raiden. So my friends, I've opened 6 packs. I've got single diamond character. So this is pack number 7 for you. I'm not much of a fan of the slider. Just the one reason, you don't know. So I'm getting this Bone Shaper Shinnok, Dark Raiden. I know the characters are fixed, that you can see it over here as well. But we always expect a diamond character. So with this, I'll reach to total 9 packs. Now after 10 packs, you can evaluate how many diamond characters you have got. Alright guys, so oh god. So I have got 2 diamond characters. So guys, the range is like this. Strike Force Scorpion is the first diamond character, and on a second attempt I have got Circle of Shadow Kung Lao. Well, that is great. So I have opened only 9 packs and got 3 diamond characters. So you can see the power of Elite Netherrealm pack. This is the pack number 10 for you guys. Alright, let's see. That's a Bone Shaper Shinnok. So you can collect numerous of Bone Shaper Shinnok. So I've reached to 10 packs. It's time to open 2 packs simultaneously. Let's see what I'll get from this. I'm gonna do skip all. Wow. Guys, this is my 4th diamond pack. I've got Circle of Shadow Jax Briggs. That is, the pure class is the Netherrealm Brute. I have seen so many times. I'm just fan of this Netherrealm Brute of Jax Briggs. Not so much fancy character, but yeah, that's fine. I'm happy to take this character. Alright, let's move to next one. And it's a classic Scorpion, which I have. Almost, guys, this character is also a good one. That you have seen the importance of this character in previous one, the Earthrealm Tower, that you know. So is this 2-pack or I don't know. Alright, now you can see only 7 packs are remaining. That's why the bar went up. And both are worthless character for 900 souls. I know they have importance, but no one will gonna take this. So my friends, only 5 packs are remaining. That is true. I'm gonna spend all the souls on this pack, so I'm gonna open 20 packs. But that's not my way to open 10 packs and finish it off. I don't like this. Alright, this is dark rated. You know, guys, the characters you will get is limited. Alright, let us open 2 packs. And afterwards I will max out. What is this? I have got Bone Shaper Shinnok twice. Alright, let us jump to it and finish this pack opening. I hope at least I'll get one more diamond character. Let's see. Wow. So guys, this is really a bumper opening for me. I've got 5 diamond characters from this Elite Netherrealm Allogot pack, and all characters are good ones, starting from MK11 Jade to Hellspawn Scorpion. This is amazing pack opening for me. Guys, if you open this pack, do let me know in the comment section which character you got from this pack. And guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, so please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is your friend and host Dr.Vector signing off.